We're going to now review some information in the item analysis template that we created in Google Sheets so the members of your department can record their information for their final exams and from their midterm exams. First step that you might want to take is after you have the document open, we can go down to the totals sheet, and what we want to do is we want to protect that sheet. So we're going to go up to the data menu and choose protected sheets and ranges. Once this menu comes up on the right hand side, we'll click on the link that says add a sheet or range. We can label that, so we can call it totals since that's the name of our sheet. We want to click on the sheet button because we want to lock the entire sheet so changes can't be made to the functions and formulas that are already set up in our Google Sheet. We can go ahead and click on set permissions. Once we do that, we're going to leave this on here, restrict who can edit this range, only you. So you as the department chair will only have the rights to change or unlock this sheet. Once we click on done, our sheet is now protected. You can close the menu on the right hand side, and then we're going to have to go up to File and make a copy. So once we choose make a copy from the File menu, remember we have to make a copy for each subject that gave a final exam or a midterm. We have the opportunity to change the name here in this text box. So I'm changing the name, and I'll type in for the first course that we're going to do is English 10. Choose OK. And you'll see that I've created a new document. It's called Assessment Literacy Item Analysis English 10. So now I'm ready to not only share this document with the people that teach English 10, but I also want to keep it all organized in my Google Drive. So the first step that I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the Move to Folder. And that's going to allow me to choose what folder within my Google Drive I want this file to be kept in. I'll click on the arrow to display subfolders within this folder. I'll click on English because we're going to keep everything under our Assessment Literacy and English folder for the English class. I'll choose Move, and automatically if I go back to my Google Drive, you can see that that file is created under my Google Drive, Assessment Literacy folder, and English folder, right where I put it. And here's the document I just created. If I go back to that document, I now want to share that document with the teachers that teach English 10 so they can enter their data on their respective sheet. If I click on Share, I'll start entering the names of the teachers' email addresses that teach that course, English 10. I can select their name when it appears. And you want to leave this option on Can Edit so these teachers can then edit the document once they receive it in their Google Drive. I would then click on Send, and once they get the document, they'll be able to edit their information. They'll be able to see all of their totals for all the people that teach English 10 under the totals sheet, and you'll see all their changes since you have everything organized and it's shared with those people. As they make changes to the document, you will see them, and all 4 teachers that the document's been shared with can also see the changes and work collaboratively in the document at the same time.